Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to fix sorry there was a timer utilizing the database in Epic Games. The primary step is to check the internet network connection, also close the application from other devices if it open up and check your internet connection. Sorry there was a timer utilizing the database Epic Game speed test. Also make sure you have the stable internet connection. If you have an interruption with the internet connection, it is customary to get a request to timeout error. Check Epic launcher server status. And sorry there was a timer utilizing the database Epic game server status. Now that we know a potential case, the following step is determining the whether the error is coming from you or Epic launcher server. First, check the Epic launcher server status. Invalid credentials of Epic Games account. The next step is to check the credentials data, and you might enter a wrong credentials or a typo error in your user or password, because while enabling the caps lock or symbols while entering the login and password, if you recently changed the login credentials and give it at least 15 minutes to take effect, and then try login and clear app data in Windows PC. If the error persists, clear the Epic file app data and there was an error in login, delete files. There are steps. Go to run command box by pressing Windows plus R, type %locap data % and click OK. Locate and open Epic and repair Epic game file in a Windows PC. Repairing the Epic game file will help you remove and replace the defective files. It will help to launch the Epic game properly. Sorry there was a timer utilization the database Epic game repair files. Type control panel in the search bar and tab on it. Click uninstall programs under the program option. And thanks for watching us.